Despite increased border security measures, smuggling operations across Texas continue to evolve, often hiding large groups of undocumented migrants inside dangerously concealed compartments. This case is no different, and it all started with something as routine as a minor traffic accident.
Hello, how are you? Doing okay? Is it in park? Okay. Just stay right there for me. So what happened?
I was trying to back up, and then he said that I didn't remember.
Okay. You just don't remember? From Houston? Or you headed where? Oh, you headed to Houston? Pero vienes de dónde? Alton. Okay. ¿Qué estás haciendo allá?
Picking up some mattresses.
2 mattresses? Okay. You got them back there? Okay. You might be seeing? Okay, we'll see in a little bit.
The driver claimed she was en route to Houston after picking up mattresses in Alton, Texas. But her story didn't sit right.
She drove from Houston to the valley just to pick up 2 mattresses. And she's got them in the back of the truck. And the truck is locked. They're in there? Okay. How many, qué tantos gente ahí está adentro?
People.
Assisted by officers from the George West Police Department, the trooper opened the rear of the truck and discovered a deeply disturbing sight.
Sálgase.
Behind a stack of 30 mattresses and hidden inside a narrow crawl space built into the truck wall, 25 undocumented migrants were found crammed together in extreme heat and without proper ventilation.
¿Estás bien, mijo? ¿Estás bien? Sí, okay? Hey, Charles, 1550 Live. Can you get EMS this way? We got young kids too.
The group included 12 men, 12 women, and 1 11-year-old child.
Agua. Can you get agua?
Originating from countries across the globe, including Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, India, Cuba, Venezuela, and the Dominican Republic. Emergency assistance was called in, and all 25 individuals were removed from the truck and medically evaluated before being referred to U.S. Border Patrol. Incidents like this highlight the ongoing risks and desperation fueling the human smuggling crisis.
Sálgase.
These aren't just illegal entries. They are lives put in jeopardy by traffickers willing to hide people in deadly spaces for profit. Click on any of these suggested videos to witness another incident of Border Town law enforcement's efforts to combat human smuggling. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bail out, bail out. We have bodies bailing out.
Señores, lo que es inmigración.